Okay, good morning. Here we are in Kingman. It's Chuck Mitchell here. We've driven about 3 hours from Phoenix to get here this morning. Our eventual destination is the La Posada Hotel in Winslow. Later this afternoon, we'll be stopping along the way to hopefully find some trains, take some pictures, and just have a good time. So we're out here right now. Me and my girlfriend Beth. There's Beth. Say hi, Beth. She's gonna fly her drone a little bit. I'll try to include some of that footage in the video. We're out here at Kingman Canyon, having a good old time. There's a couple trains we just missed, but I'm sure there'll be some more along shortly. And yeah, so this is our situation at this moment. We're gonna take you guys for the ride, and should be a pretty good day, I'm hoping. We're gonna hang out here for a little while and go get some breakfast at Mr. D's restaurant, give you some footage of that, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys throughout the trip the rest of the day. Okay, here we are. We've moved over to kind of central Kingman now. Give you guys a little bit of a idea here. We've got the drone flying here. You can kind of hear it buzzing up there. Waiting for an eastbound. I got a pretty nice shot picked out here, but hopefully one's coming along here shortly. Looking forward to getting to breakfast here soon, so we'll see. But yeah, we're over here flying the drone, and it looks like an eastbound's coming right now. So I will get the camera and I'll show you the picture. So we just got a picture of that one. I'll include that one in the video here once I get everything edited. Drone's way up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. What's the drone video look like? Oh, cool. Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, I think we're gonna go get some breakfast here shortly, and then after that we'll start making our way north towards on Route 66 towards Seligman, and see what we can find out there. So we'll show you guys that restaurant when we get over there. Okay, so here we are over at Mr. D's Diner. If you're ever in this area, Kingman area, anywhere on 66, you got to make this a stop on your trip. Food here is absolutely fantastic. It's right across the street here from Santa Fe 3759. Really nice. They got this other little Route 66 sign over here. Let's see if we can get in the shade. Really neat old diner. I'm not sure if it was original to the area or not, but really neat. So yeah, we're gonna head in here, get some breakfast, and then we'll be heading north, and we will update you when we do. Okay, so here we are. We're just outside Seligman here on the west side. Raced a couple trains over here to this. If you're familiar with this area, depending on who you ask, it's either called the Audley Valley or Aubrey Valley. There's these cliffs over here, the Audley or Aubrey cliffs. Like I say, it depends on who you ask. Really beautiful area. Nobody out here but the birds and ourselves. And the eastbound's coming over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. This is not a zoom lens, so I doubt it, but we're gonna get a video or a picture of it here, and then get a little bit closer to Seligman, getting through there. It's really beautiful out today. There's not much wind, and it's really I want to say, what was it, like you said, 75 degrees? Or yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So this is our update. Got here from Kingman, made pretty good time, and gonna get these pictures here. I'll include them in the video when when you see this clip, I'll try to put them in there so you can get a decent look at what they look like full size or close to full size. And yeah, so we will catch this, and we'll catch you guys a little bit later.
Whoa, that's cool.
You saw that training, didn't you?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, here we are. We've migrated a little bit further east, just outside Seligman now. We've got one more eastbound train coming, and then we're going to make our way over to town, potentially get some refreshments, but then make pretty decent time towards Flagstaff, and then end up in Canyon Diablo. So give you guys a little tour of this spot. This is just a road crossing we found here. I'm gonna get a picture of this this eastbound. This is Fort Rock Road, looks like. There's a westbound coming up off the hill over there. And yeah, so this should be the last decent picture of the morning, and then we'll catch you guys up at our next stop, whatever that ends up being. Beth says hi. All right, guys, we had a power move kind of sneak up on us here. Gonna get you a quick little clip of that before this other eastbound shows up. He's coming right now. This is a power move from Topeka to somewhere in California. Yeah. Oh shit, there's the other one. Right on time. They honk for crossings. Okay guys, disregard. We're gonna give you one more video before we leave. This eastbound you saw from the other video just snuck up on us right now, so we're gonna get this picture here, and then we'll see you guys down the road. Okay guys, so just stopped here in Flagstaff, got a few provisions, and we're gonna head over to Canyon Diablo now, and then we're gonna fly the drone over the canyon and do some other exploring over there. So we will see you over there. See you later. Okay guys, just got off here at the Two Guns exit off of I-40. This is the way to get to the Canyon Diablo Bridge. There's a bit of a precarious road to get over there, but totally doable in a small sedan such as this. And just kind of giving you a little lay of the land here before we get there. And if we look ahead here we go. So we will see you here in about 10 minutes or so over at the bridge. Okay guys, we've after a perilous road and a perilous little journey there, we made it over here. This will be the last trip for the Honda, but she did well, and we made it out here. Give you a little bit of a tour of the area here. This is we're standing on what used to be the bridge. This one was built in the 1882, and was obviously replaced by this in 1945. And a lot of cool history here. You can see the old pylons down there, and yeah, it's pretty cool. We got a really nice picture of us earlier when we got here. I'll put that in the video. And what do you think, Beth?
I think it's really cool and a lot more peaceful in person than I was expecting.
Yeah. Pretty windy today, but that's kind of how it goes sometimes. But yeah, a lot of good history here. A lot of America was you know, forged with bridges like this. If it wasn't for bridges like this, we wouldn't have the America that we have today. So there she is, guys. We're gonna go head on into Winslow and show you guys the La Posada Hotel, and then we're gonna call it a night. But we'll update you when we get to the hotel, and maybe even show you some areas around the downtown Winslow area. We'll see you there. Okay, all. It's several hours later now. We've been in Winslow for a little bit now. Luckily, we were able to get a nap that ended up being much longer than we had originally anticipated, based on how tired we were, and so we didn't get a chance to give you guys any footage of downtown. We're gonna go over there and eat dinner now, and we won't be taking any cameras along with us. So we're gonna shut the video down at this point, and hope you guys really enjoyed the trip as much as we did, and hopefully you'll be along for the next one here in a few weeks, and potentially more after that. So let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed it, didn't like it, loved it, hated it, leave a comment below. And if you want a personal response or have any questions, I will definitely get back with you. Thanks for watching.